We've had another bearish week in the market for Euro USD, and I'm going to explain to you as thoroughly as possible on why. So today what we're going to do is going to break down Euro USD. We're going to first find out the trend, the targets, and our order zones. Now, order zones is something that I've created for myself, and these are areas that I would like to trade in when I am in the market. Now, number one, this helps you when you're trading because you don't have to actually stare at the market 24/7. And number two, it gives you discipline. So when price is only in this area, you will buy and sell. Okay, so I would recommend you all to start implementing order zones in your chart. Now let's go straight to the market. We can see we still are in a lovely downtrend. Now we don't have to draw a downtrend from all the way back in the beginning of May because we're almost at June now. We can actually draw a nice lovely new trend line, and we can see that we have had a really nice week for a downtrend. Now I'm still on a sales only trade, so we know our trend now. We know that we're still going for sales, and our key level, guys, if you implemented these key levels in your market for Euro USD last week, I know that you have definitely hit profit. Okay, it's a no-brainer. You follow these key levels and you've placed your sales and you would have profited in the market. Okay, we've had our target, which target got smashed, and now our target has retested and looking like it's going to one of our key levels that we can see. Okay, one of our support levels that we have created. Now, before price heads to there, I want to break down the market in the 1 hour chart, and I want to see more targets. I want to see more market structure, and today we're actually going to use another tool to actually follow this downtrend, and that's going to be the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, now Fibonacci retracement, it gives me two things. It identifies where the retracement is going to be, and number two, it identifies my targets. We can then create new targets. So if we draw a Fibonacci retracement from up here all the way down to here, we can see price closed really nice on our 61.8 extension. Again, if you don't know how to use Fibonacci retracement tool, make sure you go check out my video for that. It's very simple breakdown. Go check it out on my channel. Make sure you go subscribe. Again, if you're unsure, go check out my Discord. We all communicate there. I know I've been quite inactive on the Discord server last week, but this week we're back to normal again. I was actually out of the city, so we're back and we're trading as well. So back to the video, we have really nice downtrend. We've got targets now, which will be minus 27 extension and 61.8. Okay, so we've got two lovely targets, which I'm just going to draw a box around. Okay, why? Because those are the areas that is not a precise moment I want to come out of the trade. It'll be an area that I want to come out of the trade in. Okay, only because price can be very strong here and push through to our 61.8 extension, or it might just reject at this level. Then this take profit is really bad for us. Okay, but we have a really nice target now. Okay, our targets are, if I just let me use this fib, let me add price to it. Does it let me add price? Prices. So we have, these are the prices for our fib extension, which is all right, but not something that I like. But we're gonna have our 1.06861 and 1.06661. Okay, those are two areas. It's not the best. Okay, it's not the best areas. Okay, what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to find a better area. So what we're going to do is, I would say 1.068. Is that a nice area? Still not a nice area. So we'll do 1.085. Sorry, 1.0685. Okay, so let's get this key level back here now. 1.08. Sorry, 1.06. Sorry guys, 1.06. Was it 850? Okay, we're just gonna delete these key levels now. That's our key level at the moment. Then we have another target, which is 1.06. Again, I'm probably going to go for 0.650. Okay, so again, 1.0650. Okay, also 0.6650. 650. Okay. 15. Sorry, guys. Okay. And we started to now break down the market. Okay. We're starting to break down the key levels. We've now got targets. We now have trend. And we're going to now look at order zones. Where do we want to sell? And unfortunately, we kind of missed out on this perfect opportunity with the Fibonacci retracement. We can now sell over here. Stop loss, we can have it above our 78.6 extension. We don't actually have to keep it above this high. Why? Because if anything above 78.6 extension, you just don't want to be in the market, okay? Because number one is above the trend line. Number two is something that we don't like this area. Anything above the 78.6 extension, that means it's retracing probably for a retest back to this area, which then we can get better entries for. And our target would have been all the way here, which would have given us a nice 1 to 3.4, 1.3, 1 to 1, 1 to 3.4 ratio, win to reward ratio. Okay. Now, because we missed out on this opportunity, it's not the end of the day. What we're going to do is I'm waiting for price to get to my support level that we have a 1.0700. Now this is going to be either an order zone or a target again. Okay. But this is where I'm looking for price. Okay. So I'm going to keep it as an order zone for now. Okay. And another key level, 1.07. And how can you see now 1.07? Can you see how we have an order zone, which is a really, really nice number, and our targets are just different numbers? That's because we're on a downtrend, and I'm not going to go through history. That will take, 30 minutes to explain to you lot how I look at the history. But make sure you go check out my Discord server. I will have better targets, but the Fibonacci levels always hit, okay? I've never had, obviously sometimes it doesn't hit, but most of the time, Fibonacci levels hit. It's one of the best tools that I've used, hence why I use it, okay? And I've been using it for the past 2 to 3 years, and it's worked really, really well in my trading, my routine, and my trading, my success, okay? But again, we have an order zone. We are a bit late, but it doesn't matter, okay? What we can do is we can try get the new retracement. Again, when price comes down and hits these levels, what does it do, right? It's going to retrace. And when it retraces, we can then come back to this order zone and sell again, okay? Very, very simple. We've got an order zone, we've got our targets, and we've got our key levels, and we can just keep selling in the market, keep following its trend, and hopefully we'll get a really, really nice market, okay? Now, if I just show you, if I extend the right line quickly, you can then see price actually hits our order zone as well, which means it will follow our trend line as well. As long as price bounces off our trend lines, then we'll have really, really good sales, okay? So make sure you guys, if you like this video, make sure you go check out all my other videos where I break down the market, I break down gold, I break down different currency pairs, and in my Discord server, I even break down US 30, NAS 100. Even though I don't personally sell them, I do break them down for my traders. And if you don't enjoy this video, make sure you go subscribe, like this video, and comment down below which currency pair you would like to see. And if you are trading Euro USD, I hope it helped a lot. I'll see you lot in the next trade video.